In today's digital world, a website is essential for any business, big or small. It's your online storefront, open 24/7, allowing you to connect with potential customers globally. Without a website, you risk falling behind competitors and missing valuable opportunities to grow your brand. Think of your website as a digital business card. It provides essential information about your company, products, or services. It's a place where potential customers can learn about you, browse your offerings, and get in touch. A website also helps build credibility and trust. When people search for products or services online, they are more likely to engage with businesses that have a professional online presence. A well-designed website demonstrates legitimacy and shows that you are serious about your business. In short, a website is no longer optional. It's a necessity. It's an investment that can pay off significantly by increasing brand awareness, attracting new customers, and driving sales. Before diving into design and development, it's crucial to plan your website's content and structure. Start by identifying your target audience and understanding their needs. What information are they looking for? What problems can you solve for them? Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, create a content plan that outlines the pages you need and the key messages you want to convey. Consider including pages such as About Us, Products, Services, Testimonials, and Contact Us. Think about the user experience. How will visitors navigate your site? Create a logical structure that's easy to follow, ensuring a seamless journey from one page to the next. Remember, content is king. High-quality, relevant content will engage visitors, keep them on your site longer, and encourage them to return for more. First impressions matter, especially online. Your website's design is the first thing visitors see, so make it count. A user-friendly design is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and provides a positive user experience. Choose a clean and modern design that aligns with your brand identity. Use high-quality images and videos to make your site visually engaging. Keep the layout simple and uncluttered, avoiding overwhelming visitors with too much information. Navigation is key. Ensure that your website is easy to navigate with clear menus and intuitive links. Use clear and concise language that's easy to understand. A well-designed website will keep visitors engaged and guide them towards their desired actions, whether it's making a purchase or contacting you for more information. Imagine visiting a store with no clear aisles or signage. Frustrating, right? Your website's structure and flow are equally important. A well-structured website guides visitors seamlessly through their journey, making it easy for them to find what they need. Start with a clear hierarchy of information. Organize your content into logical categories and subcategories. Use headings, subheadings, and bullet points to break up text and improve readability. Internal linking is crucial for navigation. Link relevant pages within your content, allowing visitors to easily access additional information without having to navigate back and forth. A well-structured website with clear navigation will improve user experience, reduce bounce rates, and encourage visitors to explore more of your site. Creating a great website is only half the battle. You also need to ensure that people can find it. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps improve your website's visibility in search engine results pages, also known as CRPs, driving organic traffic to your site. Start by researching relevant keywords that your target audience is using to search for products or services like yours. Incorporate these keywords naturally into your website's content, headings, and meta descriptions. Optimize your website's technical aspects, such as page speed and mobile friendliness, to improve its ranking in search results. Build high-quality backlinks from other reputable websites to enhance your site's authority and credibility. SEO is an ongoing process, but by implementing these basic strategies, you'll increase your website's chances of ranking higher and attracting more organic traffic. Section 6. Mobile-first world, reaching your audience. In today's mobile-first world, it's crucial that your website is optimized for mobile devices. More and more people are accessing the internet on their smartphones and tablets, and a non-responsive website will provide a poor user experience, driving visitors away. Responsive design ensures that your website adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes, providing an optimal viewing experience on any device. This means that your website's layout, images, and text will adjust automatically to fit the screen, ensuring readability and ease of navigation. Test your website on various devices to ensure that it's fully responsive. Consider using a mobile-first approach, designing for smaller screens first, and then scaling up for larger devices. By prioritizing mobile responsiveness, you'll provide a positive user experience for all visitors, regardless of their device. Section 7. Compelling content. Engaging your visitors. Content is king, and this holds true for your website. Compelling content engages visitors, provides valuable information, and encourages them to spend more time on your site. When creating content, focus on your target audience and their needs. Use a variety of content formats to keep things interesting. Incorporate blog posts, articles, videos, infographics, and images to cater to different learning styles and preferences. Use storytelling to connect with your audience on an emotional level and make your content more memorable. Keep your content concise and easy to read. Use short paragraphs, headings, and bullet points to break up text and improve readability. Use visuals to complement your text and make your content more engaging. By providing valuable and engaging content, you'll establish your website as a go-to resource for your target audience. Section 8. Testing and launching. Your website goes live. Before launching your website, it's essential to thoroughly test every aspect to ensure that everything is functioning properly. Test all links, forms, and interactive elements to ensure they are working correctly. Check for broken links, typos, and any other errors that may affect the user experience. Ask friends, family, or colleagues to review your website and provide feedback. Get their perspectives on the design, navigation, and overall user experience. Once you're satisfied with the testing and feedback, it's time to launch your website. Choose a reliable web hosting provider and make your site live for the world to see. Section 9. Maintenance and updates. Keeping your website fresh. Launching your website is just the beginning. To keep your website performing at its best, regular maintenance and updates are crucial. Keep your content fresh and up to date by regularly adding new blog posts, articles, or other relevant information. Update your website's design and functionality to keep up with the latest trends and technologies. Regularly back up your website to prevent data loss in case of technical issues. Monitor your website's analytics to track traffic, user behavior, and other key metrics. Use this data to make informed decisions about future updates and improvements. By regularly maintaining and updating your website, you'll ensure that it remains relevant, engaging, and secure for your visitors.